Hi guys, welcome to telaHosting. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to access your professional email or your telaMail using the telaHosting cPanel. So sit tight and firstly you visit the telaHosting website www.telahosting.com. Next you click on services and you log into your cPanel. Once you're on the cPanel homepage, you scroll down a little and you locate the email section. Once you're there, you click on email account. Next, you locate the email account you want to access, and once you're done, you click on check mail. You'll be given an option to select the webmail application. In our case, we'll be using Roundcube. And once you're done, you have access to your professional email address. You have access to your inbox, your drafts, your sent messages. You can compose a professional email just like that. That's it for this one, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to remain updated. If you're having any difficulties, remember to put them up on the comment section because we'll be attending to every comment in the comment section or creating a new video to attend to your confusion. Thank you. telaHosting out.